What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a special video for you. Recently I've got a lot of comments about the BMW E46 Bluetooth install. Since it's been 4 months since I installed the Bluetooth adapter, let's do a review video. Okay, first let's start the car. And immediately it goes to radio. So what you'll need to do, hit mode 88. Basically, that lets you know that Bluetooth is already connected, as you can see right there. Since it's already in Bluetooth mode, all you need to do is play some music. And there we are. Now, one of the things that I've noticed after using this for a bit is that switching between radio and Bluetooth, radio sounds a little bit louder than Bluetooth. Watch. This is Bluetooth.
So this right here is to making peace.
This is radio.
These folks can keep that weather though. I'm not gonna
Again. Bluetooth. Radio.
Jew, baby. Why do tears fall?
Another cool feature that I found out about this adapter is when you turn the car on and off. Let me show you. So right now the car is playing off of my phone with Spotify. So if I turn the car off, obviously the radio shuts off, Spotify stops playing, but let's turn the car back on. See if it'll do it. It'll start playing automatically. That's really neat. Sometimes these aftermarket adapters don't automatically play once you turn the car on, but for some reason this one does, which is really neat. So, what do I think about this little Bluetooth adapter? I honestly think it's a pretty good deal. Not only do you get to keep the clean, stock factory look of your radio, but it also gives you the ability to play Bluetooth devices and also use your phone. I've used it many times while driving and everything seems to work just fine. It's not as clear as, let's say, a brand new car, but it does the job. If you missed the video of me installing the Bluetooth adapter, I'll have a link in the description down below. Did you get one already? How was the install? How do you like it so far? Make sure you let me know down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.